Hello everybody, today I'm at the Marina Bay Sands area. I'm going to walk to Lau Pa Sat. And I just came from the walk from the Malayan Park, So let's go. Wow, in front is a beautiful Fullerton Bay Hotel. There's some kind of like fountain, So nice, And luckily the rain stopped. Afternoon it was raining heavily. So right here we have this wonderful hotel. Look at that, man. Even a Singapore flag here. So on our left side, Fullerton Bay Hotel, and look at that, the office buildings. It's insane, man. I mean those CBD, and then in front is a custom house as well. Oh, and there's a nice statue over there. On the right side is OUE Bayfront. Hey, there's a cafe here called Especial, man. Wow. Fullerton Bay Hotel at a custom house. You can actually sit here and then enjoy the view. And then, the river and Marina Bay Sands. Wow. And people are jogging here as well. And this building is the One Marina Boulevard office. Wow, and look at the blue color building. I mean with the blue lights, SCO. Escort. And there's a beautiful structure on the right side, man. I think this statue has been here for many years. And over here, Raffles Place SCI. One Finlayson Green. The office building. And I can see Lau Pa Sat just is in front already. By the way, there's Colonial Finance as well. Capital Green. You can see Rolex. And just across this traffic junction, we reach Lau Pa Sat already. Lau Pa Sat, it means the old market, Lau means old and Pa Sat means market. So Lau Pa Sat means old market. There's an iconic clock on top. Today is Saturday, and lots of people eating. We'll explore this area more. So if you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, bye.